How to log in H&M app. So first of all, simply open your H&M application. And then from here, you can simply tap on the profile icon right here. But before logging in, make sure that you are on your country or region. Currently here you can see I'm on the Kuwait country. So after making sure that, all you need to do is tap on the profile icon right here. Then you'll get the option of entering your email address. Or if you have created your account using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google ID, you can tap on them. For now, I'm going to type down my email address. After writing down your email address, all you need to do is tap on continue. Then all you need to do is write down your password. After writing down your password, tap on sign in. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully been logged into our H&M account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.